Loading application. Double-click on the Flowgorithm application icon on the desktop. This action launches the application. The main window opens up with menu and toolbar. In the main window, the main and end symbols are connected by a down arrow line. The arrow line is programming area. Any symbol or shape of Flowgorithm is to be added on this line. Adding a symbol or shape. Keep the cursor at any point on this line. The line is highlighted in red color. Mouse left click at that point opens a window with all symbols. The pop-up window contains categories-wise symbols. Move the cursor point on any symbol. The symbol or shape is highlighted. Then, click mouse left button. The selected symbol is added at that point. Modifying symbol properties. Keep the cursor point on any symbol added, except main and end. Double-click the mouse left button on that symbol. The properties window of that symbol or shape pops up. In the Properties window, the shape with its purpose is found. It also contains one or more entry boxes to take values, variable names, or an expression. Some may contain radio buttons or checkboxes to check or uncheck for different actions. Lastly, OK or Cancel buttons are included. A click on OK button carries changes. A click on Cancel button discard the changes. In Flowgorithm Turtle Graphics, there are 5 shapes.
Any graphic design can be drawn using these 5 symbols. They are forward, turn, clear, home, and pen symbols. Forward shape. This shape moves the turtle forward to a distance typed in as an integer in the input box. To draw line, pen down must be selected. When pen down is selected, forward shape shows draw and the number entered. It draws line in specified color. By default, the pen color is black. If pen down in Properties window is not selected, the forward shape shows move and the number entered in the input box. Then, it does not draw any line. The turtle moves forward to the distance of pixels mentioned in it. Lastly, click on OK button. Turn shape. By default, the turtle head is upwards, 90 degrees to the baseline. By default, right is selected in its Properties window. To change the direction, left is to be clicked. The turtle head can be turned either to the left or the right side by specified number of degrees. The degree number can be changed from 0 to 360 degrees. The degrees is typed as an integer in the input box. Lastly, click on OK button. Clear shape. This shape erases the drawing in console window. This shape can be added by clicking on the shape. shape. Reset the turtle at the starting position from its current position. The turtle head is in upward direction, 90 degrees to the baseline. Pen shape. It is used to set pen any color out of 10 predefined colors. For that, simply select the radio button beside the color in its properties window. Then click on OK button.
GRP Visual Coding for All is helpful and useful to all types of students. Subscribe your channel for learning and improving your coding skills in any programming language very rapidly and easily. It provides coding on all practical problems, ranging from simple to advanced level. Flowgorithm means one flowchart to multiple textual code generation, without typing and syntax experience. Join your hands with us by including your comments. Your comments enable us to make this channel the most useful. Don't forget to share this video link to all in your contacts to help them freely. This action extends your coding world.
మరిన్ని ప్రయోజనకరమైన వీడియోల కోసం మన ఈ ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఈ వీడియో ద్వారా మీరు క్రొత్త విషయాలను నేర్చుకుంటే మీ మిత్రులకు, బంధువులకు వీడియోను షేర్ చేయండి. మీ ఛానల్ను మరింత మెరుగుపరిచే సూచనలను, సలహాలను మరియు విమర్శలను కామెంట్స్ ద్వారా తెలియజేయండి.